One of the great things about re-volve is that you get involved in the community. It really kind of hit home that we're not just installing solar panels, but we're helping East End help the community.
East End Community Services is a 21-year-old nonprofit organization in inner East Dayton. Our mission is to build a prosperous, caring, and a healthy community that nurtures disadvantaged children towards success. And every nickel counts in an organization like East End. So we've been fortunate to be connected to our friends at re-volve at UD.
So re-volve is a national nonprofit with twin values of both educating the community about solar energy and crowdfunding campaigns to help nonprofits get solar panels installed.
re-volve is unique because of a model that we have with a revolving fund. So what happens is when the donations are donated and the array is put up through a lease between re-volve and the nonprofit makes monthly payments to re-volve, which then go into a revolving fund and fund other projects across the nation.
So re-volve generally chooses nonprofits that have a great impact in their community. And with all the great work that East End has done, they're just a perfect match, and I feel very honored in order to help them get solar panels installed.
UD re-volve is trying to raise over $60,000 for East End and install a 26.8 kilowatt system that will offset their electricity bill and allow them to reinvest that money into the community. You can help by spreading the word about this project, donating directly at the website below, or simply by following us on social media and attending our events.
I really enjoy working with students. They really take ownership of the project, in this case our project, and they drive it forward. They've got a lot of initiative, and they're very bright and very passionate about saving the planet. And in one small way, by adding solar to our roof, we're helping to do that.